Hi, good afternoon, family. I'm back again with another DIY project. This one is a Dollar Tree basket. I will transform into a nice storage basket. That's where I store all my craft supplies. So all you need is the basket from Dollar Tree. You need some poly rope, some glue, hot glue, and some fabric. I used some leftover fabric that matched the poly rope. The poly rope is actually gold color. That's what I use. You can use any rope that of your choice, but that's what I found at Dollar Tree. It's very practical. And I just wrapped the cord with a hot glue gun all around the basket. It's very easy and simple to do. After applying the material inside, this is how it looks inside. I glue the material down inside the basket, overlapping it to the edge, and I glue the poly rope all around the basket, all around till I get to the very top. It's a very simple, easy project. Maybe takes about maybe 30 minutes to do. It's not that long. And when you finish, you have a beautiful, beautiful basket. That's why I store all my craft supplies. And that's it. Thanks for watching.